What's going on, guys? Siobhan here, back with a new video, and one of my friends RJ just found out in iOS 14.3 beta 3 we could now face unlock while wearing a mask. And that really interested me because recently I've been seeing my phone unlocking with face mask, but I thought it was just like a bug or a different angle because it wasn't consistent. So I have a couple iPhones right here, and I'm gonna test all of them. They're on all different type of versions of iOS 14.3 and 14.2, and also different versions of betas. Okay guys, so the first phone we're gonna try is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we're gonna see if it works with face mask. But the iPhone 12 Pro Max is on iOS 14.2, so if we go here we could see it's on iOS 14.2 beta. Alright, so we're gonna try this with a face mask, then we're gonna update it and see if it works. So currently this just works normally. See, face unlock, easy, done. Now let's try with the face mask. Shout out to PewDiePie, by the way. So face mask is on, glasses, let's try. You can see it doesn't work. It's telling us to, we have to use our password. All right, not working. So iPhone 12 on iOS 14.2.1 doesn't work with face mask. Next up, let's try the iPhone 12 mini, which is on iOS 14.3 beta. What I've realized is that even if you're on iOS 14.0, iOS 14.2, it doesn't matter. As long as you have your mask right below your nose, it will kind of work. And just keep that in the back of your minds as we go throughout this video. Okay guys, now we're with the iPhone 12 mini. We'll go to settings. You can see that we have iOS 14.3 beta 3 in the queue. I'm currently on iOS 14.3 beta 2 with the 12 mini. And let's see if it works. All right, let's go ahead, try. Nope, it's telling us to enter a password. So, whoa, you see, wait, hold on. So as you guys can see from that clip, the face unlock worked even though I was on iOS 14.2 beta 2, and that just goes to show you how inconsistent this is. And I'm not sure if it's just buggy or Apple is really in the development of making Face ID function well while wearing a mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and then update my 12 mini to iOS 14.3 beta 3, and we'll see if that works. Okay guys, so the 12 mini is finished. It's running iOS 14.3 beta 3, and we're gonna see if this actually works. So when you just restart your phone, you have to enter your passcode, of course. But if we go into settings, go to general, about iOS 14.3, and you could see the build number down here. So yeah, we have to see if this works, man. So this is the first time. Let's see if RJ is legit. Let's go. So device locked, mask on. It's not working. 14.3 beta 3, general software update. I'm on the latest version. Let's try again. Nope. Wait guys, this does work. So I tried a different mask, and also the only time it works is when your mask is below your nose. All right, so if you're masking on your nose, as you can see, it's not working. But when I put my mask below my nose like this, it unlocks. Yo, this is good. This is good news. All right, let's try with our glasses again. I had to switch my mask and everything. Let's see if this works. So below the nose, perfect. It works perfectly fine. Yo, all right, above the nose with the glasses, it's a no-go. But once you put the mask below the nose, bingo. Okay, so RJ, you're onto something, man. Hopefully this is not a bug for real, but I think Apple is up to something. Let's try the PewDiePie mask again. All right, close device, nothing. Below the nose, bingo. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got a little bit carried away here with myself. Kind of too excited only to figure out that my iPhone 11 Pro on iOS 14.2 with the build number 18B91 still works if my mask is below my nose, so the Face ID would still work. So let me know down below in the comments what version you guys are on, and try the face mask below the nose method, and let me know if that works for you guys as well. Alright guys, so this is my 11 Pro Max. If I go to settings, general, about, 14.2 build number 18B91, and I just realized it also works regularly on 14.2. So if I have my mask on with the 11 Pro, you can see it won't unlock, but if I put it below my nose, it unlocks. So I guess this isn't a new feature in 14.3, but let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, tell me if it's working with the mask fully over your nose, or it only works with the mask below your nose, and tell me what phone you're using and what software you're using down below. Okay guys, the 12 Pro just finished, and we come to the realization that we don't need to have to be wearing a black mask or anything, so we have to enter our passcodes first as usual. So let's go general, about 14.3. so yeah, we're on the latest version. If we go to general software update, you can see we're on the latest update with 14.3 on the 12 Pro. So I'm gonna close the device. No mask, unlocks perfectly fine. Mask over the nose. Wait, it still works. Mask over the nose. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't work. It's telling us to enter a passcode, of course. But once we put that mask below our nose like this, you can see it works. So it all depends. Maybe if you have a small nose, it will work better, but your mask just has to be below your nose. And that's the whole synopsis. That's it for this video. Like, as long as your mask is below your nose, it will work. I don't know, this might be a bug. We have no clue what's going on. It's just in the testing process. So just let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, guys. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.